In this video, we will know that how to download and how to install USB driver on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So how to install, we know that step by step in this video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, launch any browser on your Windows, and after that type here your laptop company name here. For example, if you have Dell laptop, then type here Dell, and if you have HP, then type here HP laptop driver, and if you have any other company laptop, type here that name. So guys, we have Lenovo laptop, so we type here Lenovo laptop driver download and press enter from keyboard. After that guys, click here this first link. Okay, now type here your serial number, your laptop serial number. If you don't have any serial number, so how to find it? So click here taskbar, and after that click here task manager. After that guys, click here file option and click here run new task and type here a command. Check this checkbox, this command. After that guys, click here OK button, and you can see here your laptop serial number is displayed here. Now copy this serial number. Now open browser and paste here. Same as it is, type here your laptop serial number here Z3YW, and after that guys, press here this arrow button. Now minimize and click here manual update, select driver and select here your USB driver, scroll down it and click here USB device. After that guys, select here driver, Intel USB 3.0 driver. This is your USB driver. Click here download. You can see here it get download, and open now download folder. This is not your driver, this is your driver. Under download folder, right click on it and click here run as administrator. Now guys, click here next button, accept this and click here next, and don't change here, click next and install and click here finish button and restart your machine. Okay, so guys, I hope you will know that how to download and install USB driver 3.0 on your Windows 10. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.